how to learn digital marketing in 2024 and beyond. If you want to get started with digital marketing, here is the full course you can get onto for absolutely for free, and I'll be sharing with you how I charge 100 to 200,000 naira for clients, help them put their businesses online, run ad for them, or absolutely for free. I will teach you how to do that, how to get the same results. Okay, so my name is Avis Germany. I'm a full-time digital marketer. I help unskilled affiliate marketers build a profitable business that pays them on a weekly basis. So without wasting much time, let's dive into it right now. As you can see on my screen here, how to get access to digital marketing course for absolutely for free. You need to go to your Google and you just need to look at this course here. This is the one I meant to click, online courses and digital marketing training. So when you click on it, it will take you to this interface here. All right, now pay attention to this. There are a couple things you just need to get right here. So once you get to this interface here, as you can see, you just need to scroll down, scroll a little bit. This is the course we'll be going at. It's simple. So this is the first one here. This one is fundamental of digital marketing. Next one is get a business online. Then the third one is Google Ads training. Then last one is this one, Google Analytics training. All right, now when you go through this course now, you are pretty short for understanding the basics of digital marketing and how to put your business online, and I will show you in a moment how it looks like. Okay, Google Ad is all about paying money in order to advertise your business online, and then analytics is all about you taking metrics, knowing what works and what do not work, and then you can improvise. Okay, now let me show you a quick tips on how to do so. Where I want you to lay emphasis on is in putting your business online. Now after you have gone through this course, now let me show you one of my businesses which I have put online right now. Let me click on this. Now watch. Now take a look at this here now. So this is my agency. Let me take my picture out of this place, my image. Okay, now this is my agency, a new one, as you can see here now. So now watch, this is it here now. This is digital marketing training and agency. Okay, graphics design, Aja, Lagos State. I just opened this one newly here in Lagos, one of my branch here. So as you can see here now, look at what I'm telling you. By the time you understand digital marketing, you can be able to put up your business on Google. Now this is less than 1 week I launched this particular branch here now. As you can see here now, I'm having about 21 customer interactions. So and if you scroll down here, you will see some of the things I have created for them. Watch, this is some of the products I listed online which I'm selling as well. Okay, and this is my phone number and this is my address here. Okay, this is what it means for you to put your business online, and this is what you can learn from the course which I have recommended for you. And mind you, those courses are for free for you to learn digital marketing. Okay, now once you have finished putting your business online, the next thing you need to learn as a digital marketer is for you to learn how to create a pure landing page. Okay, and you can do it for free. You use card.co or system.io to create a landing page. Okay, let me show you my in a second right now. If you scroll down here, you can see here now, this is my website here, avixgermany.com.ng. okay, let me open it in a new tab so you see what I'm about to show you right now. Now watch, it's loading. Yes, so I click on it. All right, so as you can see here now, so this is my website. You see, this is my website. This is my services I offer, which is social media marketing, graphic design, affiliate marketing. Okay, and all of that. Scroll down, I offer training, mentorship and all of that. Okay, as you can see, the affiliate marketing platform I partner with, and I'll show you how to achieve same result. Okay, in a short time. Do you understand? So when you learn how to create a landing page, high converting landing page as well, though the knowledge of website design is crucial for you. Okay, is important for you to understand how to at least build a website. Okay, and which for you to learn it, you can actually use local WP just to learn a demo how to create websites. Okay, you customize it. Okay, and there are videos on YouTube that will show you how to do so. It's very simple, but if you don't want to take through that route, it's very important for you to at least create a landing page using system.io or card.co. Why is it necessary? By the time you create a landing page, at least you can outline what you can able to do for your clients, maybe help them put their businesses online, run ad for them. At least with that visual image, it will help your customer, it will help you get conversion. Do you understand? So once you have finished doing that, by the time you put your business online this way, you can be able to link to it. You can see here there's a place they say provide a website, so you can put the link of that your website here. So it will help you as well become relevant. It will make you have authority in Google, in Google My Business. Okay, this is my own here. You can see this flyer here. Let me go to my website and show you this yellow flyer. If you scroll down, this is the flyer here. You can see here we are Doctor of Digital Marketing. Okay, now once you have finished doing that, now next, how then do you now make money? Is for you now to start to reach out for clients. There are two ways for you to do that. The first one is for you to start an affiliate marketing. Yes, start affiliate marketing business. There are I have done a video, and you can watch this video here. I talked about the 5 affiliate marketing platforms that you can join if you are in Africa or in Nigeria. The 5 best ones for you to join, and I've outlined it here as well. And these are the platforms I've joined here. You see here now Digistem. You see Digistem, you see ENAC affiliate marketing, you will see Zenestake, and then you will see Seller. Okay, I've explained all of that in that video. You're going to watch it, you're going to understand better on how it is. Now the next one again is for you to start to reach out for clients. This one is very, very important, reaching out for clients. Let me take you to my WhatsApp, and I'll show you in a short while how that one look like. Okay, then how then do you reach out to client and then have them pay you a whole lot of money for you to help them to put their businesses online? Sugar, this is the flyer I've created. This one is for cream cosmetics. All right, now look at how much you can be able to charge some of your clients: 100,000 naira, 200,000 naira, and these are all the work you'll be getting for them. Mind you, this is just for you to reaching out for them, people around you, without you spending money on advertisement. Some will get to contact you from the business that you have listed on Google. They will get from there, they can actually contact you. You help them run advertisement for them. Okay, now the essence of you putting your business online is for you to establish authority. They will now be able to see what you can do for them. All right, because seeing is believing. By the time they are seeing that you have done it, they will not have the courage to ask you to do the same for them. Okay, you can charge them money and do it for them, create flyer and the rest of them. Okay, creating the flyer is not that big deal. You can use Canva to create it. Okay, meanwhile you can still join my mentorship group here. Now I have a class here called digital marketing class. Let me show you in a second how it look like. These are the new class here. You can see as of now we have 16 people who have requested to join. All right, educating people how to do it step by step process. All right, if you want me to guide you through or assist you in setting your business online and putting your digital presence, okay, having a good digital presence online, feel free to send me a DM, and I will link below the video description how you can contact me and my WhatsApp number there. All right, you can also contact me through my website. All right, feel free to ask me any question that you have, okay, and I'll do well to answer you. Okay, I still remain Elvis Germany. Okay, and then I will be signing out now. So bye for now and catch you later. All right.